I think that I'm gonna eventually need a toolbox. I mean a tool belt, you know, because I can't just go around carrying everything, you know, like everything that I need, you know, like my tape measure, screws that I'm currently using. Oh, my hammer, you know. Oh yeah, my screwdriver. Is there anything else? What's this? Drop that. Oh, more screws. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to figure that out and get a tool belt. Playing. So it's these little distractions that I'm learning about. I have to use my good coffee mug because this one, the top it's not Yeti, let's just say that. And I knocked it over, and because I'm parked at an angle, the coffee went pew, and I had to like use my knee pad, you know, the rubber little knee pads, garden pads or whatever. I had to use that as a squeegee and like get it out off of the wood because I've already put the wood floor down and there was all sugar in my coffee. So to go in the house, I needed a roll of paper towels and I needed some cleaning stuff anyway, like out here, to leave out here. So just looking at it that way. But yeah, last thing I need is with the wood shavings is sugar, you know, ants. So yeah, I'm gonna have to use a better cup. But all right, now I'm gonna got my pieces here. I'm gonna put this one in, and I have to get some filler and fill all this and sand everything so it's even, because I'm gonna put like a frame, like a window frame around this, like almost like a shelf type of thing. And then here, where I've got a big piece of wood attached here, like, and this is where the bench and everything that I'm going to add in is going to attach, like in here, all the way down. And it's going to lift up so I can eventually get the solar and everything in there. But I'm just leaving free range of this side that in the future it will be able to like run cables and stuff, and this will come off easy if I have to. But yeah, that's where I'm at. I need to drink my coffee so I don't spill it. Delicious. You like my work glasses? Aren't those cool? I got them at the thrift store. Get like clear at the top and bottom. Them's fancy. I don't care what you say. And this visor is Y2K. It's an old American Eagle one. I'm like, I just need a visor. I sweat too much, like with a hat. I have so much hair. This monster, it's almost down to my butt. You know, I can't take it no more. It's almost time to donate it again. All right, back to work. I'll show you some progress when I get there. I also have to get edging. I'll show you this. Because I'm not a carpenter, I realize how important edging stuff is. Like for up here, I'm gonna get like the border that it goes like this far and it covers like everything so that it will look seamless, because it's not seamless. But and then I'll make sure that all of that is like animal proof or whatever proof, just airtight, no buggies. I can't like what I had to just deal with. All right, I'm sweating. Being in here is hot, even though it's not that bad out yet because it's early. Okay, I'll show you some progress in a minute. This is where we are. There's my 80s radio. Looking. That's my music that I listen to because it calms me. After all, I am just the average beast. So for now, I'm going to put this back on in the back until I can get all of my professional solar stuff in. I think that's part of the back AC unit or something. We don't know, but we're not going to F with it. This is how I'm going to do this caulking. These balloons. So I'm gonna go along this edge here with my balloon finger. Get down there. Back it away from me. Alright.
The overture from Berlioz' Broadway.
Bugs Bunny.
Tommy and the San Diego Symphony Orchestra.
Hearts will hit.
Support for WCRD comes from you and Bryant University, committed to educating and inspiring students to excel as innovative leaders with real, world-ready 21st century skills.
I'm just using up what was left in the caulking gun because I'm gonna need to use that after I'm done.
Wonderful
But
kind of
I'm just
year.
getting what I can.
Time to explore,
Yeah.
get outside, and
Before.
escape into summer.
There we go.
Bring the music.
Clean that up. I've learned that cutting pieces of extra wood into little blocks is very convenient for when the wood doesn't there's divots. I know these are called something, I just forget. Anyway, doing that. I am not sure what I'm doing here, so I dangled tape everywhere that there's a screw, so when I cover up like this, I'll see where not to put a screw on top of a screw. Is that a thing? I just thought, I don't want a screw on top of a screw. You know, I know how many times I said screw, Amy. This thing just starts recording. Hello, shoulder. Look, I can still do this. I'm just getting wacky with my sawing now. Too lazy to go all the way outside down this 20-foot thing. I'm just like cutting like this. Is this wrong? Is that wrong? Let's see if it fits. That fits. Very nice. I'm gonna screw it in. If this were a drinking game about how many times I said the word screw, people would be dead. Went to Home Depot and I got white beadboard. I got the beadboard up there. And I got the trim for the sides, and I think I'm gonna do beadboard down to like the window, and then I'll have like maybe, I don't know, a shelf for storage or something. But I'll put the beadboard up there just to where the window is. I think that'll be good. But yeah, that came out all right.